Yes, where were we? Last exercise. 4.3. Question number
7 was over.
7 was over. 5, 6, 7, all the three were over.
Yes, sir.
I had asked you to try 8th and 10th one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What was the similarity between 8th and 10th? What was the similarity?
Speed, distance, time.
How you had to solve such sums?
Part A, part B.
Making
Part
two
1,
parts.
part 2, part A, part B, yes. Question number 7 was over. We had to start the 8th one. Okay. 8th one. 8th and 10th, we'll do it together. 8th and 10th, we'll do it together. Read. Read. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. Means 360 kilometers is same in both the cases. Then, if the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, this is the second case, more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. 1 hour less means if 7 hours are required in the normal condition, under normal conditions, 6 hours would be required. If 8 hours are required, 7 hours would be required. Means minus 1. What will be the relation? Relation would be of minus. Bolo.
-1.
Now, minus 1. Find the speed of the train. Part 1, part 2. Part 1. Normal case. Part 2. Changed case. Here this is uniform or unchanged. What are they saying? Uniform speed. Okay. This speed is uniform. And this speed is changed. Changed speed. Uniform speed, changed speed. Here, speed, distance, time. All of them would be 1, 1, 1. Here also, speed, distance, time. All of them would be 2, 2, 2. Is it clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is our common format. Common normal format. This is a common format. है ना? ये हमेशा applicable होगा. Clear? Now read. You have to find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train under normal conditions, uniform conditions, be x kilometer per hour. Okay, what is the distance? Distance is 360 kilometers. 360 kilometers. 360 kilometers. And if the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, speed is changed. So here it was x. What should it be here?
X plus
X
5.
plus 5
X plus 5
kilometer per hour.
per hour. Now it's the time to create a relation between time, distance, speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So time will be equal to
Distance
Upon speed.
speed. So distance, here distance is d1. Upon speed is s1. d1 is how much? 360 upon x. Here distance upon speed, d2 upon s2. d2 is 360 and s2 is x plus 5. Okay? Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Now read. Now read means you only tell me. Now what should I do? Come on. What should I do now? Come on. Create a relation. इसके बाद में क्या करते हैं हम?
Equation.
Equation.
The equation.
हम बनाते we create the equation on the basis of what? किसके basis पे बनाते हैं? स्पीड के रिलेशन में, टाइम के रिलेशन,
टाइम,
किसके? टाइम के रिलेशन,
टाइम
के, वेरी गुड, टाइम के रिलेशन बना दे। तो क्या बनाओ अभी मैं, आप बता चलो। ऐसे बहुत सम सॉल्व कर लिया अभी हमने।
360 by 8
360
T1 T2 स्पीक इन टर्म्स ऑफ सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म, T1 T2 के फॉर्म में बात करो। हाँ,
T1 plus T2 is equals to D1 distance.
क्या हुआ है? If the speed had been 5 km/h more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same.
Sir, 360 upon
wait 1 hour less. मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था 1 hour less means suppose here you are requiring 9 hours, here you will require how many hours?
8 hours.
8 hours.
Here you are requiring 22 hours, here you will require
21 hours.
now create a relation between T1 T2.
T1 minus T2 is equal to 1.
T1 minus 1 equals T2. T1 minus 1 equals T2. या तो T1 minus T2 equals 1, वो भी राइट है, means both the cases are right, correct. Clear? लेकिन हम ऐसा एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं, 7 hours लग रहे थे, यहाँ 6 लगेंगे, 7 minus 1 equals 6. T1 minus 1 equals T2. This is your symbolic form, but an important part. You should think like this. Okay, now is the sum clear? Now is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now instead of T1 you will write 360 upon x minus 1 equals T2. 360 upon x plus 5. Damn. Further, you know. Now what we will do? Now come on. Now tell me, what should I do after this?
Cross multiplication.
नहीं बेटा, put the variables on one side.
We'll shift
Variables on one side, yes. Take this one on that side. 360 upon x plus becomes minus 360 upon x plus 5 equals 1. भूल गए आप? बताया था मैंने, ये नहीं बताया था? बताया था?
Yes.
हाँ. Now what to do? इसके आगे का बोलो अभी, ये भी बताया था।
Cross multiplication.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
LCM.
No.
Rationalization.
No.
Denominator.
Common. Take out common.
कॉमन रैशनलाइज है ही नहीं बेटा, यहाँ पे इरेशनल डिनोमिनेटर है ही नहीं। क्लियर? टेकिंग आउट कॉमन, 360 विल आउट, वील टेक आउट कॉमन ना, देखो 360 कॉमन आ जाएगा ना। सम विल, व्हेनेवर यू टेक आउट कॉमन कैलकुलेशंस डिक्रीज ना। देखो x plus 5 into 360 minus 360, कितना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन करना, उससे जो 360 कॉमन निकाल लिया, हो गया सॉल्व। Now what? Now cross multiplication. This 360 goes there below 1. Now x plus 5 ones are x plus 5 minus x ones are x whole upon x into x plus 5 plus x minus x gets cancelled over. Now you know what to do further. This goes here, x square plus 5x, x square. This 360 multiplies with 5. 5 into 360 equals x square plus 5x. So x square plus 5x minus 5 zeros are, this will become minus 0. 5 6 are 30. 5 3s are 15 and 18 is equal to 0. Now you can solve. Will you try it further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's on you. You may go for any method. Now, question number 10. 8 के बाद हम 10 करेंगे। पहले 10 पढ़ो और आप ही मुझे बताएंगे सब मैं क्या लिखूंगा। आप जो भी बोलेंगे वही मैं लिखूंगा। चलो पढ़ो। हाँ, रीड। Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll read them. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Now, come on, what should I do?
Let the speed of
Let the
passenger
speed-
train be x kilometer per hour.
Means what? Part 1 and part 2, correct? What means here the parts were uniform speed and change speed. Now, which two cases are there? What should I write there?
Express train and passenger train.
Passenger.
Express train and passenger train. Speed, distance, time 1, 1, 1 and speed, distance, time 2, 2, 2. Okay, come on. Yes.
S1 to be x kilometer per hour.
An express train, okay. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more, express train is 11 kilometer per hour more.
Then passenger train would be x.
Yes, passenger train would be x kilometer per hour. An express train
X plus
X
11.
plus 11
kilometer per
hour.
Then further. Now what? अब बताओ. Distance is
Excuse me, sir.
132 kilometers.
132 kilometers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, express train takes 1 hour less. So why we have
Hour?
added?
R पे नहीं आए अभी हम speed पे है. Speed देखो. I'll explain this. Clear? First, tell me what is the relation between speed of express train and passenger train. Is that thing clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
देखो तनिषा पढ़ो बेटा पढ़ो.
No,
Clear?
sir.
हाँ फर्स्ट वाला केस क्लियर नहीं है ये.
नहीं.
देखो पढ़ो टेक्स्ट बुक. रीड द टेक्स्ट बुक. हाँ रीड द second last. नहीं read the last sentence. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than the passenger train, तो passenger train की x, तो express train की कितनी?
Okay. X plus 1.
11.
हाँ, yes. 11.
Clear? Is this thing
Yes,
clear?
sir.
हमने जो लिखा वो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ अब आप पूछ रहे हो, you are saying that passenger express train will take 1 hour less, correct ना?
हाँ.
अब आप स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे तो टाइम कम होगा बढ़ेगा. आप जल्दी पहुंचेंगे लेट पहुंचेंगे?
जल्दी.
जल्दी पहुंचेंगे ना. जल्दी पहुंचेंगे तो टाइम कम हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ.
हाँ चलो पढ़ो अभी. चलो पढ़ो. हाँ what about हाँ
Yes.
first part is clear to you. I think the speed वाला part is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what should I write in distance?
132 kilometers.
132.
Distance doesn't change. Now relation is given between time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. D1 upon S1. 132 upon x plus 11. And D upon S. D2 upon S2. Means 132
by x.
Clear? Now, what are they saying? Express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. Okay, this takes 1 hour less. Means if you are requiring 9 hours here, you will require how many hours here?
8.
If you are requiring 19 hours here, you will require how many here?
18.
19 minus 1 will give you 18, correct?
Yes.
Symbolic form बताओ चलो. Symbolic form.
T2 minus 1 equals to T1.
1 is equal to T1.
T2 minus Okay, clear? Now write it down. अब तो आपको आगे का मालूम है क्या लिखना है T2 की जगह पे. चलो बोलते जाओ.
132 by x
132
minus
by
1
x
equals
minus
to
1 is equal to
132 by
132
x plus 11.
Now what? Now what?
common.
Taking common. No,
बिल्कुल
Differential
on
in
one side.
variable on one side.
Variable on one side.
132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 equals 1. पहले एक साइड लेना पड़ेगा ना बेटा. देखो, see the formats are the same to same. Speed distance time को अगर आप means if you check all the questions on speed distance time, similar format. Okay, हाँ. Now what?
Common.
Now
Common.
now
In bracket 1x minus 1 by x plus 11 equals to 1.
now what happens to this 132?
One
Denominator.
denominator.
131.
हाँ.
Cross
Plus
multiplication.
11 by x minus x by x plus 11.
Cancelled. 132 into 11. 11 into 132
X square
equals
plus 11x.
x square plus 11x. So x square plus 11x minus, this goes there, minus 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33 and 2 35, 11 1s are 11 and 3 14 equals 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
आगे का आप कर सकते हो अभी फैक्टर्स निकालना. Any method. Question number 9. 9 will require. Okay, 9 कर लेते. हाँ. Or do one thing. नहीं चल कर लेते. Read. Huh? First of all, tell me, is there a doubt in question number 8 or 10? Any one of the questions which are solved on the board?
No, sir. No, sir.
Akka?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integers 3 upon 8 hours. Now, 9 integers 3 upon 8 hours is known as a mixed fraction. Convert it to normal fraction.
75 by 8.
5 by 8.
75 by
75 by 8. Because we multiply these two. 9 8 is a 72 plus 3. 72 plus 3 75 upon denominator as it is. 75 upon 8. Okay, very good.
So can we
Now,
take it in decimal points?
decimal में नहीं लेना बेटा. Decimal में नहीं लेना. Okay?
Okay,
Because
sir.
सोचो, just think if you take it in decimals, the question will become like this. X square plus 5x minus 2.398. ऐसा आ गया question. क्या करेंगे आप? How will you be able to solve it? Are you getting the things?
Yes.
So, not to take decimals in quadratic equations. Okay? हाँ चलो. हाँ. Two water taps can together fill a tank in 9 integers 3 upon 8 hours. Suppose this is a tank. Okay? And here there is a tap, here there is another tap. One tap, two tap. First tap, second tap. Clear? Here the tap is of larger diameter. Here the tap is of smaller diameter. Larger diameter. Okay? And both of them, if you put on both of them, clear? If you put both of them on, clear? Both of them together will fill this tank in 75 upon 8 hours. Is this clear?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
आगे बढ़ो. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can fill the tank. Okay? Now see, The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. This is a sentence which gives you a relation. Clear? Does this sentence give you a relation?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So what will consider as x?
Smaller
Smaller
diameter.
Smaller tap. Clear? Smaller tap. We'll consider it as x. Read now. Find the time in which each tap can fill the tank. Let the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank separately be x hours. Okay, let the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank separately be x hours. See, statements लिखना आपका काम है. Clear? But still, those questions which are new. Okay, new means suppose you are solving it for the first time. So statements of such questions I am writing. Okay, actually you should write it down. तो डिटेल में लिखना, सबको sentences लिखना, इसको भी. For this also you have to write statements. For this also you have to write statements. For that also you have to write statement. Okay, now read. Let the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank separately be x hours. Then read the statement which gives you a relation. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Therefore, the time taken by the larger tap be how many hours?
X minus 10.
Minus 10 hours. X minus 10 hours. Okay. Now, both the taps together fill the tank in how much time? 9 integers 7 upon, 9 integers 3 upon 8 means 75 upon 8 hours, correct? Now, here on the board, let the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank separately be x hours. So, if you can read, we had done this earlier. If you can read a book in x hours, what part will you read in 1 hour?
1 upon x.
1 upon
X.
Okay, so let the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank separately be x hours. Therefore, in 1 hour, smaller tap will be how much?
10 upon x.
1
1
by
upon
x.
x.
I have written the statement in short form. Now, if at least 3 of you tell me, clear this sentence in full, then I won't write the full statement. मतलब मुझे समझ में आएगा कि आपको स्टेटमेंट भी समझ में आता है, तो मैं ये नहीं लिखूंगा, नहीं तो मैं स्टेटमेंट लिखूंगा ये सम के लिए पूरा यहां से आगे, पहले तो पूरा लिखा हुआ ही है. चलो बोलो, this statement is short. I have written this statement in shorter form. What will be the original, or what should be the original statement?
Let the time taken by the smaller tap in 1 hour to fill the tank is equal to 1 upon x.
And let the time taken by the smaller tap be 1 upon x hours. दोनों भी hours में कैसे होगा?
In 1 hour, if smaller can take 1 by x.
1 by x is what? What is 1 by x?
1 by
Takes
larger
time
tank.
to fill the tank.
Part of tank filled by smaller pipe in 1 hour.
ये सही है, ये सही है. Okay. Therefore, in 1 hour, ये क्या है 1/x? The part of tank filled by
Smaller
tap.
than 1 hour.
in 1 hour. Part of the tank filled in 1 hour. Clear? Then part of the tank filled by the larger tap will be 1/x minus 10 hours. Then part of the tank filled by the tap, then the part of the tank filled by both together will be 8/75. समझ में आया? तो मुझे ये सेंटेंस पूरा ही लिखना है।
इससे पता नहीं सेंटेंस
इसको पूरा ही लिखना पड़ेगा अभी। नाउ रीड द क्वेश्चन वंस अगेन, रीड। हाँ, पढ़ लो, आप ही पढ़ लो, चलो पढ़ो। हाँ, फर्स्ट रीड द होल क्वेश्चन, देन आई विल राइट इट आउट। पढ़ लो एक बार, पढ़ लो ये ऊपर के दो स्टेटमेंट्स
Your
में।
video is getting freezed in between only.
मेरे साइड नहीं है प्रॉब्लम। चलो पढ़ो क्वेश्चन, read the full question, and are you having a doubt in these two statements? You should children in 10th standard should pay attention please. Clear? ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। स्टेटमेंट भी है तुम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता ना। चलो क्वेश्चन पढ़ो और बताओ ये दो स्टेटमेंट में डाउट है क्या, फिर मैं आगे चलता हूँ। चलो आगे।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the part of tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour will be 1/x. I have taken an example. If you can read a book in 5 hours, 5 days, or 5 hours, what part will you read in 1 hour?
1/5.
1/5.
1/5.
सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा था, तो 1/5 क्या था? पार्ट था, टाइम था, डिस्टेंस था, क्या था?
Part.
Part of the book.
Part.
And therefore, the part of tank filled, ये पूरा लिख लेंगे आप, filled by the larger tap in 1 hour be 1/x minus 10. Let it be 1/x minus 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, and therefore, the part of tank filled by both taps together in 1 hour will be how much? 8/70. How much will it be?
8/75.
8/75.
Because total time was 75/8. So in 1 hour, the part filled will be 8/75. Now, both together, part of the
It should
time
be
1 hour is 1/x by larger tap, smaller tap. Then larger tap is 1/x minus 10, and both together is 8/75. So both together means part of the tank filled by the larger tap, smaller tap is equal to this. Clear?
how it is 8/75.
How it is 8/75? Huh? If you can read a book in 5/2 hours, if you can read a book in 5/2 hours, okay? What part will you read in 1 hour?
2/5.
2/5.
अब आप बोलेंगे सर अब मुझे अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया। देखो मैं बताता हूँ, मैंने बताया इफ यू कैन रीड अ बुक इन 5/2 आवर्स, अब 5/2 आवर्स का आंसर क्या होता है 2.5, अग्री?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if I ask you what part will you read in 1 hour, you will say 1/2.5, agree?
Yes, sir.
तो आपने 2.5/1 को रेसिप्रोकेट किया ना, तो हमने बगैर डेसिमल में चेंज किया, रेसिप्रोकेट किया, 5/2 को 2/5 लिखा। समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
After this can you solve?
Yes, sir.
Both the variables are on one side, no need to take out common, create the relation and solve.
okay sir.
ठीक है, चलो करो। डाउट है तो अभी भी पूछ लो, तीनों क्वेश्चंस अभी भी बोर्ड पे है।
Sir, cross multiplication we can do, no?
After
Last
this,
वाले
after
sum.
this, x minus 10 plus x upon x in bracket x minus 10 equals 8/75. Then further, समझे?
Yes, sir.
चलो करो। अभी भी किसी को डाउट है 8, 9 और 10 क्वेश्चन में? क्लियर करा लो डाउट। Answer to the first question. Answer to the first question. X is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 45. Right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 45 will be or will not be discarded.
Will be discarded.
Will
Why?
be
Because,
discarded.
why? Because speed cannot be negative. Further, मैंने थोड़ा डायरेक्टली किया हुआ है, पूरा स्टेप वाइज करना।
Sir.
Yes. 5929. I told you a trick to find out. I had shown you a trick to find out the square root. What will be the square root of 5929? अरे हो गया था ना, आप तो बोल रहे थे अब मेरा हो गया।
$77.
I repeat the trick once again. Should I explain the trick once again? Is there a need? जल्दी बोला करो, इतना टाइम मत लिया करो।
No, sir.
No.
No, चलो ठीक है। 77 ओके। तो भी ऐसा कोई है जिसको ट्रिक नहीं मालूम तो मुझे अभी बोल देना, मैं बता देता हूँ। Now upon 2a means 2. X will be minus 11 plus 77. Minus 11 plus 77 plus 66. Plus 66 upon 2 means 33 you will get. And next answer you will get it as minus 11 minus 77 means minus 88 upon 2 means minus 44. The minus answer would be discarded.
Discarded.
Okay. minus would be discarded. So the answer is 33 kilometer per hour. Should I rub?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when we are unable to find factors, so that time only we can use this d is equal to b square minus 4ac.
Can means under normal conditions means unless specified. I think that you should use quadratic formula only. ये वाला समझे क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको एक ही प्रॉब्लम है. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अंडर रूट फाइंड करना, और उसकी तो ट्रिक मैंने आपको बता दिया है. इजी. Finding out factors is time consuming, and completing the squares method is also time consuming because it is lengthy. This is easy. समझे?
Yes, sir.
Should I rub the 8th and 10th question? I complete that part here. 9th question, remaining part I will solve it here.
Sir, it would be just 80, not 80x.
x square minus 10x हो जाएगा ना. 10x 8 से 80x हो जाएगा. बराबर.
Yes, sir.
चलो सॉल्व करो. Did all of you solve the 9th sum, last one, so that I'll solve this? I'll find out the answer then. Did all of you find the answers to this?
Yes. Yes.
All of you? All of you?
No, sir.
Yes, last question. 4 into 375, first term into last term, will give you 1500, and this is 115. So this, I think, will be easier by splitting the middle term. 1500 can be written as minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equals 0. Common and common. 4 and x comes out common. X minus 25 minus 15x minus 25. 4x minus 15 and x minus 25. X equals 15 upon 4. X equals 25. What was this? Time taken. Both the answers are possible. Both the answers will be possible, but 15 upon 4 will give you 7.5, 3.75
Discarded.
hours. हाँ, वो तो बाद में डिस्कार्ड हो जाएगा ना, बताता हूँ. और ये भी हो जाएगा 25 hours. Now x is 3.75 and both the answers are correct here because none of them is negative. But time taken by the larger tap, larger. If x equals 3.75 hours, then x minus 10 will be 3.75 minus 10 means 6.25 hours. Therefore, this would be discarded. And if x equals 25 hours, then time taken by the larger tab will be x minus 10 will be 25 minus 10 means 15 hours. This is right. So what are the answers? Time taken by the smaller tab to fill the tank separately is 25 hours, and the time taken by the larger tab to fill the tank separately is 15 hours.
15 hours.
Should I rub the ninth sum? This much part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you try the last question. 11th one. Try.
Sir, in the last sum, do we have to take two variables?
फिर कोई बात करते तुम लोग। क्या बताया था मैंने आपको? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का क्वेश्चन क्वाड्रेटिक से ही करना बताया था ना, एग्जाम्पल भी लेके बताया था। अगर आप ट्राई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? स्टिल द क्वेश्चन विल डाइवर्ट यू टुवर्ड्स क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ओनली। वी हैड सॉल्व्ड द सम।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
याद आया या नहीं? या नहीं आया उतना बोलो बस। आया?
Yes, sir.
आया। क्वाड्रेटिक से ही करना, वन वेरिएबल। I will explain that to you. First, I want space. Should I rub these?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Should
sir.
I clear the board, all of you? Clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Down. Last question. Keep your pens down. This question is similar to the 7th question. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
7th
Yes,
question
yes,
जैसा ही है ना थोड़ा बहुत. There are two sentences which are giving you a relation. So which sentence will you prefer, the first one or the second one?
First one.
Okay.
Second one.
Second
इजी
one.
होगा ना बेटा, पहला वाला तो स्क्वायर के तरफ लेके जा रहा है आपको. एरिया ऑफ टू स्क्वायर्स, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर?
Side square.
मतलब वो स्क्वायर की तरफ लेके जा रहा है, मतलब स्क्वायर रूट लेके आएगा वो. सेकंड रिलेशन इज कंपैरेटिवली इजी. समझ में आया कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question I had showed with both the methods. Now read. So we'll start with the second sentence. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468. If the difference between their perimeters is 24, find the sides of the two squares. Let the side of the bigger square be x meters. Meters में बोला हुआ है? Yes. X meters. Then, if the difference of their perimeters is 24. Now, what is the formula of perimeter of a square?
4 into side.
4 into side. Okay. So, let the side of the big square be x meters. Therefore, the side of the smaller square. How will we get it from this formula? It is saying that the difference between perimeter of bigger square and perimeter of smaller square is, the difference of their perimeters is 24. Means this is 4x bigger side ka minus perimeter of smaller. We'll consider the perimeter of smaller as 4 into side of smaller square is equal to 24. Correct? Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
4 comes out common. This becomes x minus side of smaller square equals 24. So x minus side of smaller square will be 24 upon 4 means 6.
6.
Correct? Therefore, this minus goes there and becomes plus. This plus comes here and becomes minus. So therefore, side of smaller square will be x minus 6.
X minus 6.
आ गया रिलेशन? ये रिलेशन में कोई डाउट है? We have applied the second sentence first. Read and clear if there is a get your doubt cleared if there is any. Nothing? Nothing. Now, sum of the areas of two squares is 468. Sum of the areas of two squares. There is a bigger square and there is a smaller square. Be 468 meters square. Now, area of bigger square. What is the formula? Side square. What is the side of bigger square? What is it?
X.
X.
What is the side of smaller square?
X minus 6.
X minus 6.
Area of bigger square is side of bigger square whole square plus side of smaller square whole square equals 468. Now you may go for x square plus x minus 6 whole square equals 468. Further you can solve. Will you try?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next exercise. Exercise 4.4. Read the first question. Read. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If real roots exist, then find them. Did we solve such a question earlier?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we had solved. So can you try the first question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये क्वेश्चन 11th क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो और एक्सरसाइज 4.4 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. सॉल्व मतलब रॉन्ग आया तो चलेगा, रॉन्ग आया तो चलेगा, लेकिन ट्राई करो.
Done, sir.
So this first question we cannot solve by this fundamental term, no?
Any method, because what did they ask you? They just asked you to find the nature of the roots. So you have found out the discriminant. So if you go by quadratic formula, then half the sum is already solved. But if you still wish to go by splitting the middle term, you can go for it.
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आया? वहां पर स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया हुआ है, आपको जैसे करना है वैसे करो, लेकिन हम क्या करेंगे, मींस जनरली व्हाट यू शुड डू, हाफ द सम इज सॉल्व्ड बाय क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. सो सिर्फ फॉर्मूला में तो डालना है आपको, x के फॉर्मूला में तो डालना है, बस सॉल्व हो गया. सो इट विल बी इजियर बाय क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. चलो सॉल्व करो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो गया सबका, मैं सॉल्व कर देता हूं. और आई स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग, यू प्लीज डोंट कॉपी फ्रॉम द बोर्ड. You may verify it from the board. We'll revise. First step, write the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Write the values separately. A equals 2, b equals minus 3, c equals 5. D. the 11th sum?
No, sir, 1 minute. Done.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Bolo.
Sir, can we keep that root 12 as it is?
No, because answers should be in its simplified form. Can you simplify root 12 further, and can it be cancelled afterwards by taking out something common?
Yes.
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 So you have to simplify. आप अगर आंसर यहाँ भी छोड़ेंगे ना, यहाँ देखो, सब यहाँ देखो. If you leave the answer here, 6 plus 2 root 3 whole upon 4, you are still half a mark would be deducted, because can you simplify this step further
Yes.
Yes, sir.
by taking out two common? So you have to simplify it. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Solve the second question. Should I rub those two sums, bit number 1 and bit number 2?
Yes, sir.
All of you,
Yes,
should I
sir.
rub? Yes. Now please keep your pens down. Pens down. You may solve this afterwards. Keep your pens down. Now read. Read question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Question is given, and it is given that this has equal roots. This much information is given. The question is given and equal roots. Is this thing clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now what we'll do? Equal, since equal roots are there, therefore d will be equal to 0, means b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So we need to write, compare this with the standard form. Comparing the question or the equation with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. A is 2, b is k, c is 3, and since equal roots, therefore d is equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac equals 0. What is b? K. So b square will become k square. K square minus 4 into a into c. 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. K square equals 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 4. K equals plus or minus under root 24. Correct? So K will be equal to plus or minus under root 24 means 6 4s are 24. So what will it be?
2 root 6.
Yes. K is equal to plus 2 root 6 or K is equal to minus 2 root 6. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
is there a doubt? कैसा क्वेश्चन है मालूम है? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स में कंडीशंस थे ना, देयर वर 3 कंडीशंस, कोइंसिडेंट लाइंस, पैरेलल लाइंस एंड
Intersecting.
a question was given and it was given that the lines are intersecting. So आप a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 कंडीशन लगा देते और फिर सॉल्व कर लेते थे, तो अननोन वैल्यू मिल जाता था. यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है, तो यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट से आप अननोन वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हो. Is there a doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Question number 2, bit number 1.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You have to try question number 2, bit number 2. And still if you are having a doubt, you may get it cleared. I am waiting for you to solve question number 2, bit number 2. And if you solve question number 2, bit number 2, you may proceed. Question number 3, 4, 5, you can solve. Yes. Done. Question number 2, bit number 2 tried.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, kx into x minus 2, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0. Now multiply and multiply. Multiply both. Now kx into x will give you kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals 0. Compare this. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. A is k, b is minus 2k, c is 6. And what type of roots? So that they have two equal roots. Since equal roots, therefore b is equal to 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac equals 0. B square minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a into c. 4k square minus 4 6 are 24k equals 0. 4k square equals 24k. From this 4k square only k remains. 24k upon 4k. 4k 1s are 4k 6s are. Therefore k equals 6. The answer is 6. Okay.
Sir, can't we take 4k common and then in bracket it, it
4k
could
common.
be x minus?
You will get the same answer. Correct?
Yes.
तो 4 जो है नीचे चला जाता है. 0 के नीचे तो वो 0 हो जाएगा. Come on, now you have to try question number 3, 4, 5. Come on, try. Did all of you solve up till question number 2, bit number 2?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Then we'll solve question number 3. Now, question number 3 is asking in the starting itself, is it possible? Read the question. Huh? Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. See, is it possible? So, who will clear this doubt?
Discriminant.
Is it possible? मतलब आंसर आएगा या नहीं आएगा? पॉसिबल है या नहीं है? वो कौन बताता है आपको? डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बताता है.
Discriminant.
What you have to do, try to understand the format of the question. आप अगर इसको normal question के जैसे solve करेंगे तो नहीं, तो गलत हो जाएगा. Clear? You have to find the quadratic equation. You have to form the quadratic equation. First, find out the discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then only you can solve the sum. Otherwise, you don't have to solve the sum. You have to write it is not possible. Clear? Because there will be no answers. Read now. Is it possible? Okay. Whose length is twice its breadth? So, let the breadth be x. Therefore, length will be whose length is twice its breadth. Length is twice its breadth. And further, what are they saying? The area is 800. Area is equal to length into breadth. Area is 800 is equal to 2x into x. 2x square minus 800 equals 0. जनरली क्या होता है ये सब में, आप इसके बाद डायरेक्टली क्या करते हो? आप सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो, जो कि रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. क्यों? बिकॉज आपको तो बताना है, इज इट पॉसिबल. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. देन ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. A is 2, b is 0, c is minus 800. Then you have to find d, b square minus 4ac. B square means this is already 0, this is 0. 4 into 2 into minus 800. Minus into minus plus. 4 to the 8, 8 is a 64, 6400. Since b is greater than 0, therefore real and distinct roots exists. Therefore, it is possible. Now you have to solve. Now, since it is possible and you are having the value of d, you can solve. X equals minus b plus or minus under root d upon 2a. X is equal to minus b. Value of b is 0. Means that will be 0 itself. Plus or minus under root d. d is 6400 upon 2a. 2 into a is 2. Means x equals plus or minus 800 upon 4. X equals plus 800 upon 4 will give you 200, or minus 800 upon 4 will give you x equals minus 200. This will be discarded.
Sir,
Or it should be 80.
80 no, because 64.
Oh, wait, yes, wait. 80, 20, and 20. 6400, yes. So the length is, so the breadth is 20 and the length is 40. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is there a doubt up till here? Question number 3. Is there a doubt up till question number 3?